Welcome to Math 120. This is the syllabus review for Math 120. This is for section 4002. My email address, my office, and office phone number are there on the screen. Don't think I'll be in the office too much this semester because I'm teaching off campus at the Friendly High School. So on Monday, Wednesdays from 8 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. at Friendly High School, I'll be having office hours at the high school and online. On Tuesdays from 10 until noon, I'll be having office hours as well, online. Something doesn't work for you and we need to meet, please send me an email. We'll try to work that out. So prerequisites, Math 96, Math 95 with a grade of B- or better, or equivalent. And I know that's probably outdated terminology because we don't offer 95 or 96 to college level anymore, but we do offer it for high school level. That's another story. So there's a basic course description, course objectives. We're going to be covering probability statistics, business, finance, and consumer math, and logic and sets. So it's chapters, I don't want to say this because I know the book keeps changing. I think it's 10, 11, 12, and then chapter 3 at the end. So there's transferability in Nevada, linkage to college mission. We're using the 11th edition of the book, which is the current one. And it's a pretty good book, and the program that we're going to use, the My Math Lab, is really good graphics. So there are the two options. You can get the book with My Math Lab, or My Math Lab Access Only, where the book is online. But all the homework is done in the program, so you won't need to look at the homework problems in the book. So textbook, some type of textbook. Calculator, TIA 8384, TIA 30X2S, also helpful. Decimals can be really useful, especially when we get into the statistics part with regression analysis. Here's our grading scale, A, B, C, D, F. We're going to have a midterm and a final. We're going to have quizzes. We're going to have the 4 chapters of homework, and then 10 discussion postings. Okay, midterm is planned for October 18th, 2022. The midterm will be chapters 10 and 11. Quizzes, 11 quizzes. The top 10 quizzes will be counted towards the grade. Each quiz is worth 10 points toward the grade. If a quiz is missed, they'll receive a score of 0. Homework, I believe it's 28 assignments over 4 chapters. Each assignment is worth 50 points. Homework will be completed through My Math Lab. And so you can access it in Canvas. There's a link to it. So you need the code. You can either get the code from the bookstore, you can get it from directly from Pearson, which is the publisher of the content. So, discussion postings, you must provide at least 10 postings in the discussion board. The posting must be substantive and not simply say, I agree. You can either ask a question from a material or you can answer a question. Your first posting should be an introduction about yourself. And then we have a final exam due December 13th. It'll cover chapters 12 and 3, so it's not comprehensive. Attendance, no attendance is required for the course. Keeping pace with the schedule is required. Since it's an online course, we don't have a regular meeting time. A discussion grade is determined by the number of substantive posts on the discussion board in Canvas. I'll be checking posts in the introduction, homework discussions, and math jokes. Ethics statement, no cheating of any kind will be tolerated. Any student caught cheating, attempting to cheat, or assisting in the cheating of another student will be expelled from the class with a failing grade. So there's early alert, which if students aren't doing well, I may contact the counseling office to reach out to students. We have our disability statement here. So if you have a documented disability or you need to get a documented disability, you can work with them. And then this COVID statement we're supposed to put in the syllabus, kind of irrelevant because we're not a live class, but it's just to understand what WC expects for other classes that might be in person. Then we have our important dates for the class and what the quizzes cover. And that quiz 10 is 12.6, not 13.6. There's our tentative schedule. So we're going to move pretty good in the class, get through it. A lot of really great content. I enjoy teaching this class a lot, so very applicable. And that's about it. Okay. Let me know if you have any questions. I look forward to reading your introductions. Bye.